I need you to do me a favor and don't look at the background. There's a lot of stuff going back here, but don't look at the background. I need you to focus. Hello everybody! Valentine's Day is just around the corner and I thought it'd be a good time to take you guys back into my kitchen. A while back, I had learned a recipe for fireball cupcakes. So today I'm gonna be following a recipe for it. The link for the recipe is in the description box below if you guys wanna make these yourself. But yeah, today I'm gonna be making fireball cupcakes from scratch because Derick, what's your favorite liqueur?
Fireball.
But you also like those Red Hots, don't you?
Well, I do like Red Hots, that's why I like Fireball.
Yeah. Also, hello, Sailor Moon, teaspoons and cups. I forgot to move these off to the side.
Fancy teaspoons and cups.
They were a wedding gift, thank you. But let's take a shot, let's take a shot. And these his and her wedding mugs that are way too big, we should just fill it up. And then that'd be all gone.
No, you wouldn't survive.
I'm just gonna do a splash because I don't even drink. Hello. Where's all my non-alcoholic sisters? I really don't drink ever.
I know that qualifies as a shot so much as a swig.
It's so good.
It is good. That's what I keep saying.
It's good in small amounts because I didn't mean to pour you a baby one. I pour myself a baby one. But when you just taste it, it's actually just pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like a real Red Hot. Okay, I'm gonna make you some I'm gonna make you some fireball cupcakes for Valentine's Day.
Yay.
Wait, don't leave yet. Did you know it was his birthday recently? Wish him happy birthday.
Undisclosed date.
Undisclosed date. I said it happened recently, so you know it's in the past. It could be in the Januarys, the Decembers, the Novembers, the Octobers, the Septembers, the August.
Somebody's like, I don't know, looking at this balloon when he would have gotten it. The few times I got a balloon, I was just like, immediately as soon as I got outside, I was just like,
why?
Why? I wanted to see it fly.
I was one of those that held on to it for dear life, but yet still let go at some point while we're outside and then cry about it. I've let go at least 3 balloons on accident and then cried about it.
No.
That was me.
Not me.
All right, to make these cupcakes, I never made them before, but we're gonna learn something together today. We're gonna need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt. I'm gonna use pink salt because salt is salt and it doesn't matter what type of salt you use, and I like to use pink salt. Buttermilk, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, 1 egg, cinnamon, fireball. And for the frosting, you're gonna need other stuff, but we're gonna make the cake first. Let's go. The recipe doesn't call for you sifting flour, but I always sift mine. I don't know why. I think it makes it better, but maybe it's just in my head. 1 cup of sugar. Oh my gosh. There is just a rock of sugar in my bag. Can you guys see that? That's like a size of a snowball and it almost came out of the bag. Oh my gosh. Whatever, 1 cup of sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2, 3. Half teaspoon salt. 3 of these. Do you want to do the cinnamon challenge?
No, because I can kill you.
1.
I'm gonna say another quick way to do it is to hold it like this and tap it with your first finger. That's why.
Done!
You even bake, bro?
I do! Are you kidding me? Did you forget about my butterbeer cupcakes? It'll just have a lot of cinnamon in it, which is fine because it's a fireball cupcake. It is fine.
Okay.
Ooh, it smells good. Mmm. Add the buttermilk, gently stir until combined. 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Then we add the egg. 2 teaspoons. 1/2 cup of Fireball. Woo! The smell's really getting to my eyes, I'm not gonna lie. The smell of cinnamon and alcohol in this batter, it's a lot. Is that it? Is it that simple? Just add everything? Wow, yep. Okay, I never even preheated my oven like a noob. So I'm gonna be doing that real quick. Okay, I hear the oven. It just got finished preheating. We're gonna make the frosting now, which requires 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Mine is sweet cream butter. I don't know if it has to be sweet cream, but that's the one I'm using. 4 cups of powdered sugar. I'm gonna have to sift this powdered sugar too. The powdered sugar that I got is a little clumpy, and I have a game plan on how to sort it all out, but we are gonna have to beat our butter first. We probably should have already done that, actually. Oh my gosh. I just flung butter all across the room. Man, this is not my best baking video. Granted, it's my second baking video, but this is not my best one. Everything that could go wrong has gone wrong. What is happening? What is my life? A 30-year-old lady poking butter that has not been softened enough out of her mixer with chopsticks. It's fine. It's fine. Totally normal. It's okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Cupcakes are done. Even before I could get started on my freaking icing. Are you kidding me? What are you laughing at? Can you do it for me?
You're so flustered.
Yeah. I don't know if you've heard, but my sugar is clumpy, so I have to use my flour sifter on the sugar to make it powdery again, which I don't know if I'm allowed to do, but I'm doing it. The butter keeps on getting stuck.
Yeah.
And I have to poke it with a stick. I'm thinking I shouldn't have done 2 sticks at a time.
Probably not.
But I did. Like, I should have done a little bit of butter at a time, and not all my butter. Oh my gosh, the cupcakes are done again. Before I can even live up, what is happening? I'm losing my mind. I thought this was going to be a fun video, but all I am right now is stressed.
You're not done yet.
Straight up.
So what, put it on for another minute?
Yeah. Like, honestly, I thought this was going to be a fun video, and I've been nothing but stressed since it started. What is going on? This is a 2-person job, man. But yeah, my sugar is all clumpy. Everything is not going the way it's supposed to be. Maybe I should learn the instructions. Beat butter 1 cup at a time. Yes, I did do it in the right order. Granted, it says like a stand mixer, which I don't have. I only have a hand mixer because I'm still living 1998. I'm losing my mind. Alright, the last time you saw me, we were having lots of trouble with the frosting, but I got it all figured out. We got frosting. As soon as the cupcakes were done, I took them out of the oven, and I used a fork right here and poked some holes on the top. So before we lay the icing, I'm going to do a quick soak of more Fireball that I put here in a little squeezy squoo. And we're just going to douse these babies in more Fireball, because you know, once you cook it, the alcohol cooks off. So we're gonna re-alcoholize these cupcakes here. Just do a healthy squeeze for each one. In the actual recipe, it actually says as part of the decorations to add a little pipette. So you add another shot of these as you're eating it. But I think I'm gonna load these up well enough that we won't need a pipette. And this might be a good thing, because when I took them out of the oven, they weren't done at 17 minutes. And I kept them in, and by the time I took them out, they felt kind of dry. So I'm kind of hoping this alcohol re-soaks up the cake, re-moisturizes the cake, you know. I have a party to go to later tonight, So I'm hoping to share with them these Fireball cupcakes. We're almost there. I got 4 cupcakes left to ice. I'm gonna use this other piping bag, finish off the rest of this frosting, and I'll see you later. All right, you guys, here is the final reveal. Fireball cupcakes from scratch after what, 2 hours?
Yeah.
It wasn't supposed to be this hard. I was like mixing the batter. I was like, oh, this is easier than I thought, right?
Mm-hmm.
He can vouch for me. I was like, ooh, this is easier than I thought. I can make this all the time. And then the frosting was a B&1/2. I'm an alcoholic now because of it. Oh, it doesn't taste good when you drink it like that. Ooh, so strong. Okay, now that we've had the real thing, let's dig in. I'm gonna take Mr. Ugly over here.
I'm gonna take other Mr. Ugly over here.
Are you a fan of the frosting? He was licking the spoon, like he always does.
I do.
Okay, I did soak the cake too, so it should be moist in the middle. Oh my gosh, you didn't even dink it? You just went for it.
That's not our thing. You realize that, right?
But you didn't even say, here's to the chef. You didn't even say, thanks for the hard work, hun.
Compliments to the chef. It's good.
That soap. That soap comes through.
Well, you said we overcooked it, but I don't think so.
Yeah. Now that I've bitten into the middle, it is perfectly moist.
Did too much alcohol?
Maybe that's why I was so light on the frosting. Because I went back and I went on the frosting. I forgot the cake will be soaked in it too. So it could have been lighter on the frosting now that I'm eating it. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy belated birthday.
Thank you.
I made you cakes.
I heard. In fact, some would say I was involved.
There's no video evidence of it.
Yeah, I noticed.
I did this all by myself. I didn't have a mental breakdown in the middle of it that I didn't film. Everything went smooth. Just like this icing.
Smooth as this icing. Oh, is that like a powdered rock that I just tasted?
Did you hear me crunch one? I literally just crunched one. I don't think I can bring these to the party.
Yeah, you can.
I told them I was gonna bring these to a party. I don't think that's gonna happen.
Yeah, do it.
You're just gonna wait for someone to bite into a powdered sugar.
I'm liking this crunch. How'd you do that? It's just chunks of powdered sugar.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, click subscribe, and follow me on all the social media. The information is somewhere on the screen right now. And I'll see you next time. I was gonna make you react to your wedding speech, but I don't feel like pulling out my laptop and make you watch it and react to it because I've had enough with these cupcakes.
Which wedding speech?
The Taiwan one. I was gonna do like a reaction, like, okay, Valentine's, we made some fireball cupcakes. And then we're sitting here watching our wedding video that I probably won't ever release on YouTube because I reviewed the footage. It's not good as a standalone video. I know I said I was gonna make a video of it, but I don't think it makes sense as a standalone video.
No.
So I don't think I'm gonna put it up. Sorry if you're mad about it, but this is my channel. I get to do whatever I want. But I was gonna at least show them your wedding speech and have you react to it because it was in Chinese. If this video gets 10,000 likes.
And then I'd be like, literally my reaction would be like, sounds like Chinese.
See, this is why you're no fun. See, this is why I do YouTube and you don't. Because you're not fun.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.